Hello everyone, today we will do class 9th chapter 11th constructions exercise 11.2. Second question, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 8 centimeter, angle B is 45 degree and AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. See here in this question, base is given, base angle is given which is 45 degree and the difference of other two sides are given. Now you have to remember one thing, as AB minus AC is given, therefore AB is greater than AC. AB is the side where angle is given, base angle is given. That side is greater than the third side. One side is base, the second side where we have base angle, and the third side is AC. Now we have this first side. Now we have this AB greater than AC and AB minus AC is given. So let us see the construction. So first of all, we will draw base which is equal to 8 centimeter. So we will draw BC equals to 8 centimeter. BC 8 centimeter. At B we have to draw an angle of 45 degree. So to draw angle of 45 degree, we have to draw angle of 90 degree first. So this is this is 60, this is 120, this is 120. Between 60 and 120 we have 90 degree. So we will join them. This will be angle of 90 degree. Now 45 degree, to draw 45 degree we will draw bisector of 90 degree. So bisector of 90 degree will be like this, and from this point where this 90 degree is intersecting the very first arc. So point of intersection of arcs is joined with B. So this is an angle of 45 degree at B, and let this angle be XBC. Now AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. Now we will cut a line segment of length 3.5 centimeter from ray BX. So let us take 3.5 centimeter. So this is 3.5 centimeter. So we will keep our compass at B, and this is 3.5 centimeter, and let this point is D. Now we will join DC. Okay. Now the next step will be, we will draw perpendicular bisector of DC. So to draw perpendicular bisector of DC, what we have to do? We have to keep our compass at point C, and we have to open it more than half of CT. Make an arc here and make an arc here. From point D, you have to cut these arcs like this. So when we will join them, this is the perpendicular bisector of CD. Now just remember one thing, you have to join them like this, and you have to join them till this ray BX like this. So let this perpendicular bisector be PQ. PQ. So where the point where this perpendicular bisector is intersecting ray BX. Let that point be A, this point, right? And then this AC is joined. So this is your required triangle ABC. So let us write the steps of construction. So our first step is draw BC equals to 8 centimeter. Second step will be at point B, construct angle XBC equals to 45 degree. Third will be cut a line segment BD equals to 3.5 centimeter from ray BX. Join DC. Draw perpendicular bisector PQ of DC. Fifth step, let PQ intersect BX at a point A. Join, this is the sixth step, join AC. Then triangle ABC is the required triangle.